Racing just is started one slow out, and that is Dynamic Love passing by the judge stand for the first time. We have Dance Fever ran out the outside out of time in the middle portion. Now is Kiss Me. Citonet is on the outside. The four sneaking down on the inside. Be My Lover, Love in Manila, while Dynamic Love is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader, and going along for the first term. We have Heart of Time by our length and a half. Kiss Me in second. The Force is racing in third. Then comes Citonet, Dance Fever, and on the outside now is Be My Lover. Live in Manila comes next, while Dynamic Love now racing in last. Back to the leader. We have Heart of Time maintaining a 3/4 of a length lead. The Force in second. Kiss Me is down in third. Then comes Be My Lover. Citonet live in Manila comes next, Dance Fever, while Dynamic Love still racing in last 400 meters of the race. We have Out of Time moving up now at the outside is the Force. Then comes Be My Lover live in Manila, Citonet, Kiss Me, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have the Force and Out of Time party out for the lead. Be My Lover live in Manila is on the outside. Last 100 meters, we have Heart of Time by our length moving up on the outside is Be My Lover in the middle portion. Citonet, it's now Citonet. Be My Lover. Then comes Out of Time live in Manila.